Let's do 10 Swedish words, male casual clothing.
Oi! My name is not Sven, it is Martin, ja.
Yes, we're gonna look at male casual clothing, starting with me wearing en skjorta. En skjorta. And on the top of the skjorta you have en krage. En krage. And the way to put the skjorta on is to use en knapp. En knapp. The end of the skjorta is called manschett. Manschett. And there, if you're dressed a little bit more fancy, you can have manschettknappar. Manschettknappar. On the lower part, you are wearing byxor. Byxor. And the byxor can be held up using ett skärp. Ett skärp. Or ett bälte. Ett bälte. Your byxor probably has en ficka. En ficka. And the way to close your byxor is through en gylf. En gylf. And naturally on your feet you will be wearing skor. Skor. And there you go, that was an example of what you could wear when you are dressed casually. Thanks for watching, I'll see you the next time you click on one of my videos. Bye.